This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a Can-Am Maverick 1000R. Changing your oil is one of the easiest things you can do and one of the most important things you can do. Now Can-Am recommends changing your oil every 100 hours or 2,000 miles, whichever one comes first. So today I'm going to show you how to do that on this 2013 Can-Am Maverick 1000R. Now, if you're not sure if these procedures will work for your model, make sure to check with your OEM service manual for more information on that. To do this job, you'll need some basic hand tools, a torque wrench, some contact cleaner, rubber gloves, rags, safety glasses, and an oil pan. You'll also need a copy of your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. Now, we're using the Tusk oil change kit because it comes with everything that you need to do the job. The first thing we need to do is start our engine and warm it up to running temperature. Make sure to do this in a well-ventilated area. Now that we've got the engine warmed up, we need to remove the passenger seat and two plastic shrouds. Now to do that, there's a bunch of plastic rivets we're going to need to remove those. Now these plastic rivets are reusable, but if you do end up damaging one, we do sell them individually here at Rocky Mountain. Now the first shroud we're removing is this side one. Now you can see here that we have the oil filter cover. Now the plastic shroud that we have over the tank isn't necessary to remove, but we did that for viewing purposes so that you guys could see this much better. Now we need to climb under the vehicle and place our drain pan directly under the drain bolt. Now if you're not sure what hole it's under, just take a flashlight and you can look up. You'll see the bottom of the drain bolt. And you'll also see this longer hole, and this is for the oil filter cap. Once you remove it, the oil will drain out of that as well. Now let's take our 17mm socket and we're going to go ahead and remove the drain bolt. Now in these units they have a magnetic drain plug, so if there's any metal material in there, it's going to stick to that. This one looks pretty good, but if you were to have a lot of buildup there, you may have something else going on. Now let's remove the oil filter cap and oil filter. Now let's remove the old O-ring and use some contact cleaner and a rag and clean the cover. Also, we need to clean the oil filter cavity. Now let's use some new oil and lube the O-ring before we install our new filter. Now these will only go in one way. Now let's install our new O-ring on our oil filter cover and use a little oil to install our cover. Now let's reinstall our cover and our 3 bolts and torque them to 9 foot-pounds. Now let's use some contact cleaner and rag and clean the drain bolt area. Now let's replace the crush washer with a new one. We'll go ahead and install the drain plug and torque it to 22 foot-pounds. Now let's remove our dipstick and add 2 quarts of oil. Now the engine holds 2.2 quarts, but we're going to put in 2 first, and then we'll run the engine. Now let's remove the dipstick, wipe it off, and then reinsert it. Now you can see here we're just inside the crosshatch. So we're going to add 0.2 more quarts and hopefully we'll be about the upper part of the crosshatch. Okay, you can see here we're right at full, and that's good. You just don't want to be over full. Now let's reinstall our plastic shrouds. And lastly, the seat. And that's it. That's all there is to changing your oil on your Can-Am Maverick 1000R. For more parts, apparel, and accessory, come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.